Hello everybody, I'm gonna talk about my lesson for standard 4 and 5. If when I think about my lesson, I think it went well. I did have some challenges, but I'm gonna talk about that later. So I think some things that went well were like the students were using the vocabulary that I expected them to use, which was verbs to talk about their daily routine. They were connecting the concept to their lives. So when I asked them about at what time they wake up, at what time they go to sleep, I actually thought that they knew, but then I had to ask more questions for them to really think about, like, was it a.m., was it p.m., is that too late, is that too early. So I think it was successful in that matter. Also, the students really enjoyed the use of technology, and it really helped them with the concept of AM and PM, also with the verbs. They work in a team in this in for this class. I purposely made the teams homogeneous in terms of, like, know their levels, but the students that do not work well together and the students that work really well together as a team. And I got a totally different view of how my students work in a group. So yeah, I basically review the videos, and I could see a lot of things happening while they were working together. So this helped me to get some data, and I saw that some of the students that were really high in collaboration, they were high because I always organize them with, like, lower level students or students that are really shy. But when I put them in a group where other students want to share their ideas, then they cannot take it. They can't. They feel that they are not the center of attention. So I need to work on that with those students. Other thing that I think was challenging is that some of my low-level students didn't know the vocabulary. So I thought it was really easy, but it was quite hard for them, and I had to spend 2 more lessons after I finished the video explaining the grammar for third person because they didn't know. Something that I talked to my mentor and I should really apply is using elbow partners, because at the moment I'm not utilizing that strategy. So I definitely will do it, especially for my last video. And I will give more opportunities for the students to choose their project. So I should give more choice boards, because in this class I gave them the opportunity to show me to choose the format that they wanted to use to show me their knowledge. But then I gave them just one task, and I didn't give them, like, several ones that they could choose from. Maybe some rotations, but I do normally do rotations, but I felt like for this particular class we didn't need to have that. And I should also supplement some materials for advanced students, because some of them, they were done really quickly and they didn't have anything to do. I was looking at some of the questions that one of my peers presented for the content knowledge standard, and about the agree and disagreeing. I think I should start, like, using those words to take our conversations further. And the exit ticket, it was successful, but it took a long time, so I should change it. Yeah, I think that's it for now. Thank you. Bye bye.